Guys, guys, we are sinking. We are sinking in South Africa. Guys, have you seen how expensive electricity is? No, guys, we cannot go on like this. This is unsustainable. These people are draining us, and they will not stop until they finish us. I currently spend 1,500 rands a week just for electricity. Mind you, the fuel is as expensive as it has been since Ramaphosa became president. The groceries do not even go there. Everything is expensive. The cost of living is unbearable. How long will we be silent? How long will we keep on being comfortable in our cocoons just because we are barely affording this impossible lifestyle that is being imposed on us by the New Dawn and the GNU? Siyothula kuze kube nini? Kunzima bafowethu. Kunzima umuntu enamashishini. Kunzima umuntu esebenza. Kunzima umuntu ehlupheka. Akekho umuntu ongabuzwa lobunzima. Kujabula laba abacula emafutheni okuyibona abathi bashaya umthetho kodwa asiwuboni lo mthetho. Thina sibona usizi nenhlupheko. Siyothula kuze kube nini bafowethu? Hayi kunzima bafowethu, indlela izinto esezihamba ngayo akukho kulungayo bafowethu. Akukho alikho ithemba. Sineyingane, uthola ingane ena 30 years. Leyo ngane ayikazi isebenza, ayikazi ukuthola umsebenzi empilweni yayo. Leyo ngane ikhulele ekhaya elihluphekile, ayikwazanga ukuthola imfundo. Isakha isizwe esinjani bafowethu? And then siphinde sikhale masibona izingane zamantombazane ziba nalesihlava se-teenage pregnancy. We complain, but it is the environment that we are surviving under, the ghettos that we live in, and the poverty and the suffering that is an everyday thing. We are collapsing and we are allowing it. The elites are going on about their business. They increase ugesi abanandaba because they don't even pay for it. It is our tax money thina esihluphekayo. Kuyoze kube nini? Siyosukuma